Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in Tortora Marina today, which is the northernmost tip of Calabria. And we're right downtown, right where all the shops, all the restaurants, everything you need is right here within walking distance. And it's only a short hop to the train station. This property is 98 square meters. There is an elevator in the building. And if you notice, the building's facade is being redone and it looks very, very nice. I think in short order, it's going to be a super prime property. Let's take a look. Okay, we just came in the door and you can see there's a big, bright, open living room area that opens right onto this balcony. But before that, you've got a pretty good sized kitchen. Let's take a look. Now this kitchen looks pretty new. Now of course the kitchen may not come with the apartment. As you know, kitchens are furniture, so it may go away. But it's beautifully put in, and we know Nancy is right around the corner and she's ready to make you a custom kitchen that you're going to just absolutely love with all the features that you need. But the space itself is nice. The tile's in really good shape. And out here you've got a really nice balcony. Now they're redoing it and they're redoing the facade right now. But if you look out at the balcony, it's a good sized balcony. You have a view of the mountains once the scaffolding goes away, and you'll have a view of the sea. Okay, from the kitchen you come out into this big spacious living room. Now, if you wanted to, of course the kitchen's plenty big enough for a good sized table in there if you wanted to eat in the kitchen, but there's a lot of furniture here, and if you wanted it to be a little dining room area and a little sofa to watch TV and have a living space here, you could do that. There's so many options here. Now, the floors in here are actually really nice. The kitchen floor is in beautiful shape, these floors are in beautiful shape, and the floors in the rest of the house are in beautiful shape. The thing I love the most about this particular living room area is you have big windows that fully open up onto this gorgeous balcony, which will be gorgeous when it's finished. They're finishing it now. And you have a view of the mountains and a pretty view of the sea. Okay, from the living room we're into this little hallway. It's called a desempeño, which is basically a little corridor here. And I'm going to take you in the bathroom because I have some ideas. Now this bathroom is really good size if you look at it. It has a bathtub with a shower over the top. What I would do is I would take out the bathtub because I'm not a bathtubby person, and it's going to give you a lot more space here. You can have a good sized shower. Now, if you look at these toilets, look how far out they are from the wall. They're sort of the old-timey toilets, you know? And that was a good 8 inches sticking out from the wall. That's wasted space. You get those nice, new, shiny, beautiful toilets that go flush up to the wall and flush down. They're easy to clean. They're a little bit smaller, so it doesn't take up so much space. And they leave you a good 8 inches out in front, so you don't have to worry about banging your knees on the shower door, which is fabulous. Same with the bidet. It's kind of hanging out. It's got a lot of stuff in the back. You get one that's flush up against the wall, you're going to have a lot more space to walk in here. That's what I would do. And the tiles are a bit dated. You could replace those very easily. They are kind of pretty though. I do like the flowers. Now if you look in here, you've got a sink, which is great. It's a nice big sink, but you can get those consoles that have drawers underneath. So you have storage for your toilet paper, your towels, and things like that. And there's room for a washer. The hookups are all here because this is a washer and it's hooked up. It will not come with the property unless it's negotiated in. However, you do know that you can buy a washer and put it in. And like I said, Nancy's shop is just around the corner and you can get your washer there. Okay, now we have the best part of the house here. This is this bedroom here. It's got this blue tile that I just love. Blue and gold and white. It's so pretty. It may not be to your taste, but I love it. Anyway, this bedroom is huge. It's so good size. And they've got an air conditioning unit that looks like it's going to be put in brand new. This is the old one. It's very ugly. But I think since they're redoing the facade, the owners decided, hey, let's put in new air conditioning units and whatnot. So that's cool. Now there is an armadio in here and a bunch of stuff which makes it look a little bit smaller. But I wanted to show you, in addition to the size of this bedroom, check out this terrace, you guys. Now we are up on the 4th floor, right in the center of downtown Tortora Marina. And from here, once you get rid of the scaffolding, you can see the beautiful hills of San Nicolarcella and Praia Mare, and then you've got a gorgeous sea view. And this balcony is pretty long and pretty wide, so you can really put stuff out here and enjoy the outdoor space when the weather is nice. It's really, really lovely. Now we are on the 4th floor, and you might be thinking, oh, I can't do all those stairs with my groceries, but guess what? there's an elevator. So you can put your groceries in the elevator and take them all the way up to your door here. In fact, the elevator is right outside your door, so it could not be more convenient. Let's go look at the other bedroom. Okay, and we have another bedroom. Now, let me tell you something. This looks like it's set up for kids, and that's all well and good. But if you're going to be living here, here's my suggestion. Because you have the same beautiful balcony and views out the front, and you're going to want to spend time there and spend time looking at that, I would make this into a little, like maybe a study, maybe a little relaxation area. Maybe your TV is in here and whatnot. And this is where you spend your time because you want to spend your time with that view. It's gorgeous. And then put a sofa bed in here for your guests. You can always close the door. They can be here, but you have a space that you're going to use a lot, and you're really going to maximize that gorgeous view. Okay, and here in the hallway you have a ripostiglio, which is basically a storage room, and it's really good size. You could make it a walk-in closet. What I would do is I would have a space for brooms and ladders and things like that, all the stuff that you need. But I would also have a space for coats, like maybe a hanging space here for coats, and probably several shelves on the bottom for shoes, because you know how we love shoes. There's a lot you could do with this closet. It's got a lot of space. And finding storage in some of these apartments is a bit of a challenge sometimes. Not here.